From 2005 to 2020, there's an increase of 4% sa suicidal rate sa Philippines. Alarming kayo na bay, especially sa new generation karon. If we don't educate them, mas worse pa ni siya. Now, what are the factors nga nung dili happy ang tao? And what are the things that we can do para ma-change siya? Number 1, live in the present. Ako ni siya nakuha sa famous blogger na si Prince. Kita daw tao, pag bata pa ta, unya sad ta, muana data sa atong self, na basin ma-happy ako, ika-graduate na ako. Now, after graduation, baka feel ta, dili mata happy, muana na sad ta sa atong self, basin ika-trabaho na ko, na nakoy kwarta, ma-happy na ko. Ikakita na itong trabaho na natay money, dili gapon ta happy, muana na sad ta sa atong self, basin ika-minyo na ko, na nakoy kids, na nakoy family, ma-happy na ko. Boom! Samot! Kasad, kay badlungon ang anak. Now, makarealize na sad ka, basin, retire na ako, wala ko'y trabaho, wala na kids, ma-happy na jud ko. Ikaabot ana na moment by dili gihapon ka happy. Now, ikatiguwang nato, sige na tag-adto og simbahan, sige tag-pray sa Ginoo, thinking na ikamatay nato, ma-happy na ta sa heaven. By dako kay na siyang sayop. You should find happiness in everyday life. Sige tag-think na ma-happy ta sa future, na dili na ta mo live sa present. Buddha once said, "There is no path to happiness. The happiness is the path." Live your day as if it's the last day. Enjoy every moment of it. Number 2, expectations versus reality. When I went to Greece, Santorini, grabe ako ka-excited by usa sa akong mga dream place. Pag adto na ako, mao na akong gi-expect. Pero ako nakita kay kani. When I went to Rome by, same thing happened to me. Excited kay ko makakita sa Trevi Fountain. Unya akong gi-expect kay kani. Unya akong nakita nadto kay kani. By, we live in the world na daghan kaayog fake o exaggeration. Na social media, na Photoshop. Tanan puro edited. Taas kaayo tag expectations. Nag-ikakita na to sa real thing, ma-disappointed ta. Ang pinaka-worst example sa expectations versus reality is ang atong sex life. Ang atong generation karon nagdako na available kaayo ang adult films. Sa sige og tan-aw sa mga tao, nagthink na sila na tinuod na siya. Sa leader na siya bay. Mao mo gani siya mahitabo. When you finally meet your partner, ma-disappointed ka. Feel nimo dili ka enough para niya, or ang worse, ang imong feeling dili siya enough para nimo. It's because imong gi-base ang imong sex life sa salida, sa adult film. Now, don't get me wrong, it's okay to have high expectations as long as it's realistic. Don't base it sa film, sa Photoshop, or sa lida. Know the difference. Number 3, connect with people. Ingon pa sa saying, no man is an island. That is so true. It's our nature by to help one another, to be with each other, para ma-happy aning kalibutana. Maunang sad ang mga tao kay mukontra maguda sa atong human nature, good? Mag-think ta permi na you don't need anyone to be happy. Ayaw bay, be with family. Don't cut ties with your friends. True, makasurvive ta without anyone. But ang pangutana, if ma-happy ba ka, in order for us to be happy, we need to love and be loved by other people. Number 4, greed, kahangol. We have this thinking by na if we have everything, we are happier. That is not true. Dili guaranteed na ma-happy ka if naani mo tanan butang. Look at this picture. Happiness is a state of mind. It's not about having everything. It's about being happy on what you have. It's okay to be ambitious. It's okay to aim high. But as long as you know unsa ang makahappy nimo, maybe imong family ang makahappy nimo, ayaw sila i-take for granted because of ambition. Or maybe ang imong talent, ayaw buhi imong talent kung mauna ang makahappy sa imuha. Average lifespan sa Filipino is 70 years old. Now, when you look at this graph, mo start og work around 18 years old. Unya, mo retire ta around 65. We spent 40 to 45 years sa atong trabaho, bay. If you hate your job, you are living a miserable life. Now, moana ka sa kuadong pons, wala mo ko'y choice. There is always a choice. Study shows by, if you like what you are doing, you will excel on it. Those people who hate their job, mas stuck na sa ubos, kaya dili man sila strive for greatness. Sad na sila, pinakaubos pa gid sila. Number 5, don't compare yourself to others. Pareha sa akong favorite line sa Desiderata na poem, There will always be a greater and lesser person than yourself. Kung imo na i-compare imong self sa uban bay, mahagba jud ka bay. Ang worst pagid sa atoa, ang atong basihan sa atong life kay ang social media. Ang atong makita sa mga tao kay ang lindot nila na pictures, ang lindot na part sa ilang kinabuhi, mga happy moments, mga lami na pagkaon, mga nindot na travels. But wa na to nakita unsa ang ilang problema. The more we look at it, ato ma-compare atong self, masad ta nganong happy kay sila is because wala ka kita unsa ang naa sa likod ana ng mga pictures. Unya mag-think dayon ta, there's something wrong with us. No bay. It's just you are comparing yourself to others. Kita tanan, we have our own battles and we have our own insecurities. Ang last na ko advice bay is be contented on what you have. Be happy on what you have. As long as you're doing your best to be the best version of yourself, do it in your own time and in your own pace. Thank you guys sa inyong time. Once again, my name is Dong Pons. Please make sure you subscribe on my channel, Choy Tabay.